Good morning. We will start session 4 on chapter linear equations in one variable. So in the previous session we completed first 4 verbal questions and today we will start with the 5th question. Sobo's mother's present age is 6 times Sobo's present age. Sobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of its mother's present age. What are their present ages? So once we read the question completely, we'll just break up the question to understand what is given. Sobo's mother's present age is 6 times Sobo's present age. Let SHO Sobo's present age be X years. Okay. So, if Sobo's present age is 6 years, Sobo's mother's present age is 6 times Sobo's age. So, Shobo's it is actually, Shobo's mother's age is 6 years. 6 times of Sobo's age. Next, Shobo's age 5 years from now. So, 5 years later. Now see here, 5 years later, we don't want both the ages because see the question. 5 years, Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 is mother's present age. That means 5 years from now we only want Shobo's age, not Shobo's mother's age. 5 years later, Shobo's age is equal to X plus 5 years. Okay. Now, by data, because every question what we have done 5 years later, their ages was 6 times this. But here specifically they have mentioned 5 years later, only Shobo's age they have given is 1/3 the mother's present age. So by data we will write Shobo's age will be 1/3 of mother's present age. That's more important to write here. So Shobo's age 5 years from now will be X plus 5. 1/3 is mother's present age is 6x. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. So X plus 5 is equal to 2x. Transpose this side. 5 is equal to 2x minus x. So 5 is equal to x. That is x is equal to 5. Whose age is this? Shobo's present age. Therefore, Shobo's present age is X is equal to 5 years. So, Shobo's present age is X is equal to 5 years and Shobo's mother's present age is 6x. That is equal to 6 into 5, 30 years. So, present age, Shobo's mother's. Okay? So, 5 years and 30 years. Very clear? Yes. So, we'll quickly go with the next one. So, next one, what they have given? There's a rectangular narrow plot reserved in a Mohali village whose dimensions are given in the ratio. So, we have to consist the ratio in terms of x. Then, they have given some other rate, that is with respect to perimeter, what is the total amount they spend on fencing that rectangular space is given. In this chapter, the numericals are a bit complicated, but if you understand them thoroughly, read the question, understand, it's simple. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for school in Mohali village. The length and breadth of a plot are in the ratio 11:4. Question number 6. Let the ratio of length and breadth of rectangular plot be 11x is to 4x. Okay, that is ratio, that is length is 11 and breadth is 4. Okay, at the rate of 100 rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. Just leave this part now. This is a rectangular garden what we have. Now what are they telling here is dimensions are given in terms of ratio. So you call somebody and tell that, okay, assume that this is your house garden, okay, and you call somebody and you tell that you want to fence your garden, okay, and what will the present, what is that, the person who will come, he will tell it will cost 75,000. Total amount what you have to pay is 75,000 and I will be charging 100 per meter. That is my charge. That means now you have to pay him 100 per meter, but his total charges are 75,000. What are the dimensions? That is what you have to find out here. Okay. So you know that what rate you are paying him per meter fencing. Fencing is completely perimeter, boundary what you are fencing. He is charging you 100 per meter and he will tell you you have to pay me 75,000 amount. But what are the dimensions for what he is charging? That amount is coming up to 75. Now we have to find the dimensions of the plot. So let's do that. So I hope you have understood the question here to what they have asked. So first of all, what we will do is we will find perimeter of this rectangular garden with respect to what dimensions they have given. Perimeter is equal to 2 times of length plus breadth. So which is nothing but 2 times of 11x plus 4x. 11 plus 4 is 15x. So therefore perimeter is equal to 30x. Keep this as it is. Now we know what is the perimeter of the rectangular plot in terms of x. Now what is this x? We have to know. Okay. Next, what we will do now is what they have given. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will be costing the village panchayat cost of fencing is equal to rupees 100 into the dimensions what you have to know. But dimensions are what? Total perimeter, how much we have got? 30x. So which is nothing but 3000x. This is the cost of fencing. 3000x, again x we have to find out. So total amount of 100 meters fencing, it will cost the panchayat rupees 75,000. By data, to fence this much amount of 3000x, it will cost 75,000. X is equal to 75,000 divided by 3,000. 3 zeros, 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 50. X is equal to 25. Okay. Now last step. Dimensions of, that is length is equal to 11x, that is 11 into 25. Breadth is equal to 4x, 4 into 25, 11 into 25, you will get answer as 275 and this is 100. They are given in terms of meter, is that so? Yes, 100 per meter they have given, meter and meter. So length is 275 meter, breadth is 100 meter. So now we know the dimensions. So copy this down. Seventh question is a bit complicated. I do not want to confuse you all, but again I am telling here is in this chapter the numericals are a bit different from what we have done. But if you practice this, understand the concept of these numerical, they are actually very easy. So Hassan buys seventh one, two kinds of cloth material for a school uniform, shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter, and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. He is buying two types of material for that is shirt and pant. About per meter, what is the cost is been mentioned. Keep that as it is. Now, the question actually starts here. For every 3 meter of shirt material he buys, 2 meter of trouser material. That means for every 3 meter of shirt material he buys, he will buy 2 meters of trouser material. Now what is this? That means we have to know how much, how many meters he is actually buying. This is just a example given. For example, if he is buying 3 meter of shirt, then he will buy 2 meters of trouser. If he is buying 4 meters, then it is buying something extra. He is buying 1 more meter there extra. So that is what they are trying to explain us. For every 3 meters of shirt material he buys, 2 meters of, for every 3 meters of shirt material he buys 2 meters of trouser material. Now see, reading question also matters here. If I read completely, it will be wrong. For every 3 meters of shirt material, comma, then it has to be, he buys 2 meters of trouser material. This is the understanding. Later, he sells the materials at 12% profit and 10% profit respectively. That is, he will sell 12% shirt material in the profit and 10% trouser material in the profit. His total sale is rupees 36,600. That means how much trouser material did he buy? Okay. So we'll start with the sum. You will start understanding as and when we go on writing. So the first step has to be, we have to find always consider x as what you have to find. They have it given here now. Find how much trouser material did he buy. So we will write suppose solution. Suppose he bought X meter of trouser material. Let us assume that he has brought X meter of trouser material. What is the condition given? We will write. For every 2 meter of trouser, material, in question they have given, for every 3 meters of shirt material he buys 2 meters of trouser. We can take it this way also because we have started with the trouser, so we'll start with the trouser only here. But this 10% and 12% has to be according to the question. For every 2 meter of trouser material, so we can write he buys, I write equal, that will be very much clear for you. 3 meter of shirt material. Okay? Yes. That means for every 2x meter, because we don't know how much material is buying of a trouser. For every 2x meter of, I just put this lines here. It means that it is same thing, but you need not put like this, you need to write. For every 2x meter of trouser material, he buys 3x meter of shirt material. Please children, write here the same thing what I have written. No shortcuts here. meter of shirt material. Now let us find for x. Then for every x meter of trouser material, he buys, how it will be? This will come down 3/2x meter of shirt material. This statement is very, very important. Okay. Then for every x meter of trouser material, he buys equal to same thing 3/2x meter of shirt material. Okay, till here it is clear. That means we have understood the first part of the question very clearly. Now we'll proceed further with what profit and loss he has done. But to deal with profit and loss, first of all we need to know the cost price. So let's start with that. Cost price is written as CP. Okay, cost price of trouser material. Cost price of trouser material is how much? They have given here something. What is that? For every 50 meter, and trouser material cost in rupees 90 per meter. So CP is equal to x into 90. That is equal to rupees 90x. Next, cost price of shirt material. So CP is equal to, what is it? So how much is the total he is buying? CP is nothing but 3/2 into cost is 50 rupees. 2 ones are 2, 25s are 25, 3s are 75 rupees 75x. So trouser material will cost you 90x and shirt material will cost you 75x. Okay. Now we understood the cost price. Now they have given he sells them something at the profit percent. So let's calculate profit percent now again. Profit percent of what material it is? Trouser material. See children, in question, it is given in the question, it tells you that for shirt is to trouser. That means 12% is for the shirt and 10% is for the trouser. We have to go accordingly to that only. So profit percent on trouser material, that is equal to, how do we write that? 10% of CP, which is nothing but 10/100 into trouser is 90x, 0, 0, 0 and 0, that is equal to 9x. So profit percent on trouser material is 9x. Similarly, we have to find profit percent for shirt material. Profit percent of shirt material. So this is 12%. 12% of CP. So this is 12/100%. Why I took by 100? Percent means for every 100 into CP is how much? 75. 25 3s are 25 4s are 4 1s are 4 3s are is equal to 9x. Oh, both are 9x only. Okay. Next. Let's see what we have to do now. We have understood about the profit. We have understood the profit percent. We also understood about the cost price also. Now what comes the next one? Selling price. I'll draw a line children here because the sum is quite big. So selling price is given by SP. SP of trouser material. So selling price is given by cost price plus profit. What is the profit here? For trouser, okay, first trouser, what is the cost price? 90x. Profit is what? 9x. So selling price of trouser will be 99x. Okay. Then let's find selling price of shirt material. Okay, selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Cost price of shirt material is how much? 75x. 75x. 75x? Yes. 75x plus 9x. So selling price is equal to 84x. Shirt material selling price is 84x. Now till here you have understood? Now total selling price, that is equal to selling price of trouser, SP of, still the sum continues to enter, little bit is there, so I will draw a line here only, little bit. SPR, trouser material plus shirt material. So that is how much? 99x plus 84x. So 183x. Total selling price is 183x. Okay. Now, next what they have asked, let us just see. What is the total sale they have given here? His total sale is my data. So, last step it is here, that is why I am doing. Total sale is equal to, how much they have given here is, so total sale is given in terms of rupees 36,600. That means total SP is what? 183x. When you sell this much, you get that much. That is the amount what he is actually, total sale is this much. Then how much material did he buy, we want to know, because selling, when he is selling them at this amount, total, this is the amount. So we have to know what is that material, how much is taken. 183x. 183x is equal to 36,600. X is equal to 36,600 divided by 183. If you cancel this is divisible. Try it out. I am writing a direct answer, 200. So the trouser material bought by Hassan is 200 meter. Please give the conclusion here. I don't have any space to write. So I'll just write here 200 meter. That means the trouser material bought by him is 200 meter. Quite lengthy sum, but if you understand it step by step and follow all the steps like how I have done. First I found the CP. First this is more important. Then we found CP of trouser material, CP of shirt material. For on what profit he is selling that. Profit we found out on based on that. So trouser separately, shirt separately. Selling price of trouser, selling price of shirt. Total selling price we found out. That much we want. But the total sale is rupees 36,600 with respect to 183x. Substitute the value of x, you get 200. Give the conclusion. Therefore, trouser material bought by Mr. Hassan is 200 meter. So copy down this sum. There are 3 more sums. Quite simple, not as complicated as this. So I'll just clear this part. The sum, if it appears in exam, this will appear for 4 marks at least. All your verbal sums will not be less than 3 marks or 4 marks. Copy the next question quickly. It is about the deer grazing in the, where it is grazing in the field. Okay. Yes. So what have they given here is half the herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So first of all, they have asked you to find the number of deer. 8th question. Let the number of deer grazing in the herd be X. Okay, read the question again. Half of the herd of deer are grazing in the field. Number of deers grazing in the field. So if X are grazing, if X, let the number of deers in the field be, not grazing actually, find the number of deers in the herd it is, not grazing, because grazing we are writing it here. Let me just change. Let the number of deer in the herd be. X. If there are X deers in the herd, how many are grazing? Half of them are grazing in the field. X by 2. Then, what they have asked again? And the remaining are playing nearby. Number of deers playing. Half the herd of the deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing in the field, right? So before playing, I'm sorry children, I did not read that second part. Number of deers remaining, because we need to know how many deers are remaining. In that we can find how many are actually drinking water. Number of deers remaining. So we can just show total where X minus X by 2. X is there, half of them are grazing, then half are remaining. So number of deer remaining is again half. Keep this as it is. Now the question appears here. 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. Number of deers playing is equal to 3/4 of remaining. What do you mean by 3/4 of remaining? That is equal to 3/4 into x by 2, 3x by 8. Did you understand? 3/4 of the remaining are playing. So 3/4 of remaining are x by 2. So 3/4 of into x by 2, 3x by 8 are playing. Read the next part. What they have asked. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. So we can say now number of deers drinking water from pond is equal to. Okay, how to find this one now? So number of deers drinking water from pond, we don't know that number. How many are there? Total deers? X are there. From that X, if I minus what all the activities other deers are doing, and if I leave out those remaining, those are actually drinking water from the pond. So here it is X by 2 are the deers who are actually grazing in the field. Out of remaining, these are actually playing, that is 3x by 8 is equal to 9. What is that 9? Number of deer drinking water from the pond is 9. Remaining, whatever are remaining from these. Let's find out this now. X minus 2 and 8 LCM is 8 into 4. 4x plus 3x is equal to 9. X minus 4x plus 3x, 7x by 8 is equal to 9. Take LCM. 8x minus 7x divided by 8 is equal to 9. 8 minus 7 is x. X is equal to, cross multiply here, 9 8s are 72. Therefore, number of deer in the herd are 72. Number of deers in the herd are 72. Okay? We are left out with two sums. These two sums are very simple. It's about the age problems. We have done several sums based on them. So I hope you have copied this down. So read the next one. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So again, whose age should be x here? Granddaughter's age. Because if you know granddaughter's age, then only we can find grandfather's age. The several set of sums of age sums when you do age related problems, you will be able to solve any set of sums given on age related. Okay. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. Question number 9. Let age of granddaughter be x years. Grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So 10 times is given, that you have to know. What do you mean by times? Multiplied into age of grandfather. If it is given, see here children, 10 times older, 10 years older. How will I write 10 times older? 10x. 10 years older, I will write x plus 10. That is the difference what you should know here. So it is 10 times older, so it is 10x years. Okay, read the question further. He is also 54 years older than her. Why data? He is also means grandfather is also 54 years older than granddaughter. Grandfather is how much? 10x. He is also 54 years older than granddaughter. Yes? 10x minus x is equal to 54. 9x is equal to 54. X is equal to 54 by 9. X is equal to 6. 9 6 are 54. Therefore, age of granddaughter is, granddaughter's age is 6 years and grandfather's age is 10x. 10 into 6, 60 years. Okay. Now, last one. It's again the age problem. Copy this down quickly. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. So, whose age should be x here? Let the age of let son's age be x years. 3 times. So, Aman is 3x. Then let's see what they have given. 10th one. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Let son's age be x years age be 3 times his son's age, 3x years. Okay. 10 years ago. So 10 years ago. That is nothing but before. He was 5 times his son's age. So let us assume both the ages 10 years ago. Son's age x minus 10. Aman's age x minus 10. So 10 years ago he was, by data, Aman was 5 times his son's age. So 10 years ago Aman was 5 times his son's age. Aman is now 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 of x minus 10. 3x minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 10 5s are 50. So transpose this side. 3x minus 5x is equal to minus 50 plus 10. 3 minus 5 minus 2x is equal to minus 40. Minus minus will get cancelled. Age cannot be negative. 40. X is equal to 40 by 2. X is equal to 20. So who is 20 years? Aman is 20 years. Sorry, Aman's son is 20 years. Son's age is x, that is equal to 20 years. Aman's age is equal to 3x is equal to 3 into 20, 60 years. So there we complete these verbal numericals. So the next exercise will be starting in the next session. So no homework in today's session, but you have to practice this sums. That itself is your homework. So any doubt in today's session, you can call on the same day of the video set.